Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best lunch containers is probably one of the most essential items for anyone looking to pack healthy, homemade meals on the go, offering unparalleled convenience and helping you save money while significantly reducing your reliance on single-use plastics, ultimately making your daily routine smoother whether you're heading to work, school, or a picnic, ensuring your food stays fresh, secure, and perfectly portioned until it's time to eat. Number 5. Rubbermaid 42-piece food storage containers. Say goodbye to messy microwaves. These containers feature built-in vents, allowing for splatter-resistant heating. You can warm your food with confidence, keeping your appliance clean. Tired of searching for matching lids? Their innovative design allows them to snap together at the bases. This smart feature helps reduce clutter in your cabinets. Your health is important. These are BPA-free, ensuring your food stays safe. Plus, they are microwave and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Designed for daily life, they feature thick, durable walls. This robust construction ensures they can withstand everyday use. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance. This comprehensive set includes 21 containers and 21 lids. They come in diverse sizes, perfect for all your varied food storage needs. From snacks to meals, you're covered. Maximize your kitchen space effortlessly. Their stackable design allows for optimal organization. You can neatly store them away, freeing up valuable cabinet real estate. No more guessing games. The bright red color of the lids ensures easy identification. You'll quickly find the right lid every time. What we like? This set is a game changer for kitchen organization with its unique easy-find lids that snap together. If you're tired of rummaging through cluttered cabinets for matching lids, this is your perfect match. Its stackable design and vented lids for microwaving make it ideal for busy individuals who value neatness and quick meal prep. What people say. Number 4. FULLSTAR 50-piece plastic food storage containers. Discover a complete solution for your food storage needs. This comprehensive set includes 24 containers and 24 lids, along with handy labels and a chalk pen. You'll find a variety of sizes perfect for any meal or snack. These containers are incredibly versatile, designed for your convenience. You can safely use them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Reheat leftovers, store frozen meals, and clean up with ease. Say goodbye to spills and food odors with their advanced leak-proof design. A secure 4-hinge snap lock system ensures an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh. You can confidently carry liquids and store meals without any worries. Crafted from sturdy, impact-resistant PP plastic, they are built for long-lasting use. These containers are also BPA-free, ensuring your family enjoys fresh and healthy meals. Their robust construction means they can handle daily demands. They help keep your food fresh for longer, preventing odors from spreading in your fridge. Their design allows for neat stacking, optimizing space in your pantry or refrigerator. Enjoy an organized kitchen and fresher meals. What we like? This comprehensive 50-piece set offers an incredible variety of sizes, including handy dressing cups. If you need a versatile solution for all your food storage needs, from tiny snacks to large meals, this is an excellent choice. Its 4-hinge snap lock system ensures airtight and leak-proof storage, perfect for carrying soups or preventing fridge odors. What people say. Number 3. Prep Naturals Meal Prep Containers 30-pack 24-ounce black. Discover the ultimate convenience for your holiday gatherings and family meals. Crafted from BPA-free materials, they ensure your food stays safe. Their airtight seal keeps your meals fresh for longer, perfect for your busy schedule. Easily manage your diet with these portion control containers, ideal for a healthy lifestyle. Their versatile design is perfect for office lunches or festive celebrations. Built to withstand wide temperatures, they are perfect for storing and reheating leftovers. Enjoy hassle-free meal prep throughout the holiday season. Embrace the festive spirit with them, ideal for Christmas leftovers and New Year's resolutions. They make batch cooking and storing a breeze, supporting healthier eating habits. What we like? These containers are specifically designed for portion control, making healthy eating simple and effective. If you're on a diet or looking to manage your food intake, this 30-pack provides the perfect tools. Their sturdy, stackable design and microwave freezer readiness make them ideal for consistent meal prepping throughout the week. What people say. Number 2. WGCC 50-pack meal prep containers 24 ounces. Simplify your weekly routine with these. They help you plan and prepare meals in advance, making it easy to achieve your nutritional goals. Their airtight lids keep your food fresh and prevent odors from spreading. Plus, they stack neatly to save space in your kitchen or fridge. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these are crafted for durability and reusability. You'll experience superior quality that stands up to daily use. They are safe for the microwave, dishwasher, and freezer, handling extreme temperatures. Made from premium, BPA-free materials, they ensure your meals are always safe. At 24 ounces, they are the ideal size for meal prep and takeout. Their stackable design makes them easy to store and transport your meals wherever you go. What we like. This generous 50-pack offers extra thick construction, ensuring superior durability compared to flimsier options. If you need a large quantity of robust containers that can withstand repeated use and extreme temperatures, this set delivers. Their strong, airtight lids protect against spoilage and odors, making them perfect for serious meal preppers or large families. What people say. Number 1. Sturdy leak-proof 2-compartment meal prep containers. Simplify your daily routine with these convenient containers. They are perfect for preparing lunches, storing leftovers, and keeping your food fresh and ready to go. Featuring a leak-proof, airtight 2-compartment design, these containers keep your main course separate from sides. Their quick open lids and faster reheat times make mealtime a breeze. Whether it's for work, travel, or parties, these are designed to meet all your needs. They handle hot or cold meals with ease, from salads to sandwiches, and are highly tolerant to bending, twisting, and temperature changes. This 50-pack set offers ample storage, and their stackable, lightweight design ensures easy organization. They are washable, reusable, and can be safely microwaved, frozen, or put in the dishwasher. Made from high-quality, food-grade PP plastics, these containers are BPA-free and temperature-resistant. Their durable, flexible construction minimizes cracking, making them easy to clean and recyclable. We stand by the quality of these meal prep containers. If they don't meet your expectations for any reason, our customer service team is ready to provide quick and hassle-free assistance. What we like. These containers stand out with their convenient 2-compartment design, perfect for keeping main courses separate from sides. If you frequently pack lunches that require food separation or prefer larger portions, their 32-ounce capacity is ideal. The sturdy, leak-proof construction ensures your meals stay fresh and organized, whether for work, travel, or takeout. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.